tariki ni mirongo ere na ithatu mweri ni wa kana mwaka ni wa ngirigire mirongo ere na inya ni mwihoko wakwa ati ni wa gitindia oro wega na toria kori ongikwirira ati ona shareke ukoro kihanda mathama hwaini ni tukoro tukana oro rege ngomenyithie imwe share report iria twagikoro tuhaririirio metha-ini itu ya mohoro ngikumenyithagia bururi wa gitinda ukigaria report kuma county tiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginya report kuma Jowai toka cia bururi tukoro kiego nginya report cia mathako ni maingi maria andiki aitu a mohoro magituhaririirie na mbere ndaya tondu twamukira matemo.
The continued grandstanding by the union will undoubtedly continue to deny millions of Kenyans life-saving treatments without providing a realistic alternative.
Thirikari na kiama kia madagitari kwaga kwiguithania guku mugomo wa madagitari ugithie na mbere.
We need bold action to make corruption an expensive affair for businesses and public officers.
Kiama kia mung'ethaniro Azimio la Umoja kwenda President William Ruto kurora wongereruku wa ugumania thirikari-ini.
The county governments agreed to engage the National Treasury in the next 6 months for seed funding.
Nayo kajo ya magavana kwenda kuongererwo kigina hari mwaka wa kigina niguo kuhingia tabarira cia county.
Aya mashono wa mamwe maria tugikuhaririirie mohoro-ini maitu ma hwaini muthenya wa umuthi na ngagikuririkania ati mohoro maya maitu turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathie kuria mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV wakoroka kuria mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na ningikaregete iki kio memerekia jitekaga wa irimu wa Kimani. Haya na tukiambiriria na ripoti ito ya mbere ni ripoti ĩgiĩ miario ya kunina mugomo wa madagitari uria ukigirete thiku ya 41 muthenya wa umuthi kuria minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nahumicha mwikaririete wa kajo ya magavana Anne Waiguru hamwe na munene wa urituira wa muingi Felix Osgei hamwe na atongoria a thirikari ni muthenya wa umuthi ni matabanirie kigomano ya kwaririria kihonia kia mugomo uyu na kuria maikitie reta na kuria madagitari ukorwa magicokereria thibitari ni guku Susan Nahumicha agikia retana ria kuga ati ni gukorwo agikinya igoti ni guthita kiama kia madagitari KMPDU wona kiaga gukorwo gikinina mugomo uria uragithii na mbere. Ni ripoti iria iragituhingurira mohoro maitu ma hwaini thenya wa umuthi.
Mugomo wa madagitari uria wingirite thiku ya 41 ni uthiite na mbere gwakiriria ndereti itiganite na miario ya kugeregia kurehe uiguano guku minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nahumicha agithingiria ati thirikari ni irikitie kurekereria kigina kia muigana wa shiringi bilioni 2.4 cia madagitari arutwo akiria gigukorwo gikurugamirwo nginya mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu shiringi bilioni 3.5 cia mathire ma mwaka wa 2017 nginya mwaka-ini wa 2024 cia kuriha mathire ma madagitari na bilioni 1.5 cia thibitari cia muingi hamwe na bilioni 2 cia thibitari cia andu kiumbe.
Review of what has been done already, would like to confirm that the Ministry of Health has managed to get 3.5 billion for payment of salary arrears from 2017 to 2024 June. This will be paid in 5 installments each financial year. Equally, the ministry has received 2.4 billion for payment of internship. And I want to clarify that this 2.4 billion is available to the ministry. Up to 1.5 billion has been paid to all government facilities that were owed. And lastly, 2 billion has been paid to private health facilities. I would like to tell the service providers that by the end of today or latest tomorrow, they need to check their accounts because these monies have already been wired.
Na harĩ ndũmĩrĩri ya mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanjũ ya magavana Anne Waigũrũ nĩaugĩte atĩ thirikari cia kaunti nĩcirĩkĩtie kũiguithanĩria harĩ kũrĩha mandagĩtarĩ ĩndĩ mandagĩtarĩ aya matigana gũthikĩrĩria uge wa kanjũ ya magavana.
A new collective bargaining agreement that the Council of Governors will initiate and coordinate the process of negotiating a new CBA with every county government within 30 days from the date of execution of the return to work formula. Governments shall make payments of the basic pay salary arrears accrued to the doctors as contained in the CBA 2017-2021 upon receipt of a conditional grant from the National Treasury.
Na ciugo iria cikoretwo cigĩkĩrwo hinya nĩ gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga akiuga atĩ maretereire kĩama kĩa mandagĩtarĩ gwĩkinya nĩguo gwĩkĩranĩra kĩrore na kanjũ ya mandagĩtarĩ na kanjũ ya magavana ĩndĩ mandagĩtarĩ aya matinekinya.
Tũkĩandĩkanĩra na tũgĩkanĩra kĩrore twetereire mũthenya wa ira atĩ tũgũka tũcemanie nĩgetha tũhũre mĩhũri na mandagĩtarĩ maitũ macoke wĩra. Tũrakinya gũkũ ta ũrĩa twarĩkanĩire thaa 8 turaikara kurakinya thaa 10 mandagĩtarĩ matinakorwo mokĩte turaikara nginya thaa 1 nĩrĩo turacokire kumenya mauga matingĩoneka na magũthiĩ na mbere na mũgomo. Na nĩ wega kwĩra mũingĩ wa bũrũri ũyũ atĩ kahinda nĩ gakinyu gatwĩyũrie kana nĩ tũgũtũra tũthĩnĩkaga nĩ ũndũ wa andũ mareciria ũhoro wa mbeca matiganĩria andũ makue.
It is most unfortunate that the doctors have deliberately refused and ignored or disregarded the courtesies extended to them.
Gũkũ Nahumicha akĩranĩra gwĩkinya igoti-inĩ wona mandagĩtarĩ maga kũnina mũgomo ũyũ, mandagĩtarĩ na magwetetwo ta aruti a wĩra a mũingĩ arĩa matarĩ na tha no ĩndĩ kĩrĩa mararũmbũiya nĩ mbeca, ũndũ ũrĩa ũthiĩte na mbere kwarahũra ciũria nyingĩ makĩria harĩ mũgomo ũyũ.
The doctors are therefore insensitive to the suffering and plight of the vulnerable Kenyans in dire need of health services.
Aya nake mũtongoria wa bũrũri ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩ atongoretie igongona rĩa gũkorwo makĩrugũria na kũhingũra kĩganda kĩa nguo kĩa EPZ mwena wa Athi River gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Machakos. Kũrĩa kĩaria hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩrĩ William Ruto nĩ ahinyĩrĩirie aigithia angĩ gũkorwo makĩonjorithia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩguo gũthondekera mbeũ njĩthĩ mĩeke mĩingĩ ya mawĩra. William Ruto augĩte atĩ bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ gũkorwo ũkĩnyitanĩra na bũrũri wa Rũraya nĩguo gũkorwo ũkĩnyitanĩra harĩ gũkũria na gũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra nĩguo gũkorwo makĩandandũra kĩganda gĩkĩ. Nake mwena-inĩ wa gavana wa Machakos wa Vinya Ndeti nĩ atugĩire itua rĩrĩ na gũkorwo akiuga atĩ nĩ gũkorwo akĩnyitanĩra na mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ makũria kaunti ya Machakos.
How to make sure that the cost of power is investor friendly, is manufacturing friendly. And the first step we have agreed with industry is that those who will produce at night because we have excess power at night, we are going to reduce the tariff by 50%. People that I saw in your workshop and in your enterprise are a cut above many. They are trained appropriately. Whatever skill that you will want, you will not need to import any skill. We have all the skills available here. Is now the biggest garment exporter to the US in Africa. And our Africa Growth and Opportunities Act apparel strategy has stimulated a 12-fold increase in value of our exports in the last 2 decades. Support from Prosper Africa, and I'm very delighted that the team leader of Prosper Africa is in our midst. USAID has therefore invested another $11 million in grants in the following areas. First, the investment is aimed at expanding the promising Kenyan fashion brands like Vivo, and I saw them here, Equator and Ubuntu. Secondly, the investment is extended to grow Kenya's apparel manufacturing base in conjunction with companies like Hela, Mars, Best, Atraco, Royal, Simba, UAL, and Mega. And all of them, I saw them exhibiting here. Finally, the investment is aimed at bringing a new vertical capability to Kenya's textile and apparel subsector with the entry of companies like Koniho and NextGen into the manufacturing of elastics and labeling. For the growth of the textile and apparel sector based on the current potential and investment growth is that a compound annual growth of 20% is feasible, which would produce over $1 billion in exports and create 200,000 more jobs by 2027. Welcome to Kenya, a land of opportunity and nation going places. Welcome to the future, a future of transformation and inclusive growth, and I wish you all success in everything that you do. The NextGen packaging EPZ factory in Athi River is now officially commissioned.
Haya, na tukitikana na ripoti ya William Ruto, tukigira hari ripoti ya mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja kuria muthenya wa umuthi. Azimio la Umoja kugerera mutongoria wa aria anini bunge-ini Opiyo Wandayi ni makorirwo makirekereria ndumiriri egie maundu maria marahutia a Kenya na njira nene, na kuria Opiyo Wandayi thiini wa ndumiriri ino augite ati ni gukoretwo kuongererekete ungumania hari sekta ya uruti wa wira kuri muingi, undu uria ucungiririe nginya gukorwo gukirehwo fataraitha ya maigirira kana iria itakinyanire ikiro guku bururi-ini wa Kenya, undu uria marakenda thirikari ya William Ruto gukorwo ikirora na njira ndikadikiru na gwetha kihonia kia ungumania guku bururi-ini.
Kiama kia Azimio kuhitukira mutongoria wa aria anini bunge-ini ya gibũrũri Opiyo Wandayi ni matetetie thirikari ni undu wa ungumania uria urathi na mbere guku bururi-ini na gutigaga Kenya na maithori undu uria macokete na kugia na umate matho maria thirikari ekirite makurwa na ungumania makoretwo makiguna andu kiumbe, undu uria uhotometie utonga wa guku bururi-ini.
With an unprecedented case of corruption in government and state capture by people in and out of government. This meeting was able to establish a clear case of laws being made with the sole aim of benefiting individuals and their businesses.
Undu uyu ni ucungiririe kambuni cia mabũrũri mangĩ kwaga kurutithania biashara na bũrũri wa Kenya ni undu wa ungumania, undu uria ucungiririe kambuni icio kuhingwo na guthamira mabũrũri mangĩ.
Involved in corruption, including bribery and open kickbacks. It's becoming very clear that unless firms willing to pay bribes and those with political godfathers high up in government, it is becoming very clear that only firms willing to pay bribes and those with political godfathers high up in government will remain and thrive in Kenya, while others close shop or relocate to neighboring countries.
Ona gukiri ugo ni moritie ruhonge rwa kurwa na ungumania EACC mathie na mbere na guthuthuria aria maraungumia mbeca cia muingi, undu uria wonanetie ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na hamwe na ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini nicio iri kamuhari ka mbe ungumania-ini.
Recently, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission listed the ministries of Interior, Health and Transport as the most corrupt. The survey showed that the size of the average bribe doubled in 2023. This meeting has called on EACC to go beyond releasing surveys.
Handini ohau ni ugite urehi wa fataraitha ya maigirira guku bururi-ini niyo yacungiririe ungumania makiuria thirikari iyo itua.
We need bold action to make corruption an expensive affair for businesses and public officers. The meeting concluded that the case of fake fertilizer being distributed to farmers by none other than the government of Kenya is an ideal place to begin showcasing our commitment to fighting runaway corruption and state capture as a country. The case of fake fertilizer is, in our view, a case of economic sabotage and must be treated as such.
Handini ha Muthigi TV, Gitũa Kĩng'ori wa Gatundu.
Muikariri giti wa atari a mathabu ma kigina kia Muingi Philip Kakai niugete ati amwe ya atari a mathabu ma kigina kia Muingi ni marathondekete riboti itakinyanire igikiro undu uria ni mugaru na watho wa bururi wa Kenya. Guko CPA Philip Kakai akenda atari aya a mathabu gukorwo makioirwo makinya makiwatho.
Kurumerera riboti iria yandikirwo ni Auditor General igiye utumiri wa kigina county-ini na thutha ucio gucokererwo ni kamiti ya Senate iria yamuritwo guthurima kigina kia Muingi wiki igiri thiru. Riboti ino nimurikitwo ni ruhonge rwa ISPA kuria yugite kwina atari amwe a mathabu ma kigina kia Muingi marathondeka riboti citakinyanire gikiro.
Hii ni taasisi ya wasibu wa Kenya na tumewaita hapa ili tuwaongeleshe kuhusu ripoti za mkaguzi mkuu wa vitabu za serikali, na imetokana na mienendo ya wenzetu.
Muikariri giti wa atari a mathabu ma kigina kia Muingi ISPA CPA Philip Kakai niaugite atari amwe a mathabu ma kigina kia Muingi marathondeka riboti citakinyanire gikiro undu uria ni mugaru na watho wa ruhonge rwa ISPA,
na imetokana na mienendo ya wenzetu ambayo utapata kwamba katika ile bunge la Seneti kumekuwa na wasibu ambao kwa muda ambao tunasema muda wa wiki mbili hivi wamekuwa pale, na wale viongozi wa majimbo mbalimbali hasa jimbo la Nairobi na jimbo zingine kujitetea kuhusu ripoti ambazo wametengeneza ambazo hazijaweza kufikisha kiwango ambacho taasisi ya wasibu wa Kenya inasema inatosha.
CPA Philip niaugite ni mekuoera makinya maruru atari a mathabu ma kigina kia Muingi aria marathondeka riboti itakinyanire gikiro undu uria uramarehera thoni.
Tutawachukulia hatua ambayo inafaa kama taasisi. Hatutahitaji wasibu kule nje watuletee aibu kwa kutengeneza ripoti ambazo hazina mbele ama nyuma.
CPA Philip niahoete thirikari cia county kumenyithia ruhonge rwa ISPA magiona atari amwe a mathabu ma kigina kia Muingi magithondeka riboti citakinyanire gikiro niguo kuhotithia o kumatacukiria makinya maruru ma watho.
Ikiwa haziwezi kulinganishwa kulingana na vile pesa zilipotumika, hilo ni jambo tunalichukulia ukali sana. Lakini ndio hizo ripoti zitengeneze, tunasema matatizo yamo katika that particular county government, ndio yakuja yaonekane kwa ripoti ya mkaguzi mkuu wa serikali. Jambo lingine ni kwamba wale wamekuwa na matatizo, kuna ile inaitwa whistleblower policy. Tunasema watuambie ili tuweze kushughulika nayo.
Girifuatira Muthigi TV, tutaho Joshua Juguna.
You can get a printout and share with them
Na ahori biashara kuma tauni-ini ya Kagio matigitwo magitara hathara thutha wa indo ciao guthinikanio ni mbura nene iria iraire ikiura. Kuringana na Peter Maina uria ni umwe wa muhuri biashara kuma tauni-ini ino, aratariria ati atigitwo agitara hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca thutha wa duka yake ya mucere ukorwo ikihofanirio na mai. Riu aikari aguku hamwe na ahori biashara nimaikitie ritana kuri thirikari cia matura na hamwe na thirikari ya county hari gukorwo makimateithiriria guthondeka mitaro niguo igukorwo igitwara mai kuona ati nio icungiririe miyuro gukorwo ikiri guku na njira nene.
Guku mbura nene igithii na mbere kura bururi-ini, ahuri biashara tauni ya Kagio kaunti ya Kirinyaga matigitwo magitara hathara kurumirira mbura nene iria iraire ikiura. Kuringana na aikari aria maranire na andiki a mohoro maugite ati kuhingana kwa mitaro ya gute mai ma kiguo nikuo gucungiriire hanene hari kwaraha kwa mai duka-ini ciao.
Riu andu atukwetwo na thina muno wa mai na ingo walaine at limit na tuona taarifa hii ya drainage tondu mai matiaga kumutikagia yote mothe maroka tũnyitĩte na biacara mai makaingĩra no twarigwo nĩ atĩa.
O nĩ maugĩte atĩ kũrũmĩrĩra mbura ĩno nene mĩhang'o ya ũkui taũni-inĩ ĩno nĩ ĩtũngĩtie maũritũ maingĩ kuona barabara ithũkangĩtio nĩ mbura ĩno.
Tũrete ũndũ tũtarĩ tuona gũkũ maĩ rĩu ĩno nĩ bakubĩrĩria yake kwa nukura tondũ maĩ gũkũ rĩu arĩ bakubĩtĩtio ũteithio wa tũtarũ no gũkũ kũruga kuna ũru maĩ maiyũrĩte nginya nduka ũtakũkũngĩtithio nginya ramia gatuĩka tondũ maĩ nĩ maingĩ.
Ahũri biacara aya maugĩte atĩ rĩu makũrĩirwo maitho nĩ mĩrimũ ĩrĩa yumanaga na maĩ ma gĩko gũkũ magĩkaĩra thirikari gũkorwo ĩkĩmathondekera mĩtaro ĩno ya gũte maĩ ma kĩguo nĩguo makorwo magĩthema na mĩrimũ ĩno kaimana.
Kũringana na ũrĩa maĩ gũikarĩte rĩ nĩkũroneka wega nginya mĩrimũ ĩno yonekane nĩtũkuoya county government na thirikari nene ĩtwĩkĩrĩre drainage system nĩgetha maĩ moneke gwa gũthiĩ.
Ngĩribotera Mũthingi TV Ngĩto Wambui wa Mũgu.
Na riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtweka mweke ga gwĩkĩria ndũgathiĩ haraya nĩ tũracokeria na mangĩ maingĩ.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business, or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration, and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke.
Haya nĩ twagicokereria na rĩu tũgũcokereria na riboti ĩgiĩ ũteithio wa irio macukuru-inĩ matiganĩte kũrĩa mwena wa Laikipia. Kũrĩa cukuru itiganĩte kuma mwena wa Laikipia County nĩ megũkorwo makĩgunĩka na ũteithio wa irio kuma gĩkundi kĩmwe kĩreta kĩa Lisha Project. Ana gĩkundi kĩa mbeũ njĩthĩ oro hamwe na aikari na mũingĩ wa gũkũ arĩa merutĩire gũkorwo magĩthaitĩra na gũcerera ciana macukuru-inĩ gũkũ mwena wa Laikipia na kũmatuga na irio.
Asante sana. Laikipia North kuna baadhi ya mashule ambaye wamefaidika kutokana na huu mradi wa Lisha, na unajua kwamba mara mingi mtoto akikosa kula hata ni vingumu huyo mtoto akae na amakinike katika kusoma darasani. Kwa hivyo mimi naiona kwamba ni mradi ambao unafaa zaidi kutiliwa maanani na wote wale ambao wako na wito na roho ya utu na ubinadamu.
Berisha project ni mbego nini nyitanite niguo tuhote kuhurana na ng'aragu irathi-inĩ citũ. Ng'aragu nĩ igomire irathi nyingĩ mũno, most of the schools, na nĩkĩo tũkĩte hamwe tukanyitana nĩguo tuhote gũsupport ciana citũ through kũmahe irio cia kũrĩa. Na ũkoraga most of the time ciana iria tũrafeed-rĩ ciumĩte from very poor background, na tũrageria kũrũa na ng'aragu nĩguo tuhote kũiga ciana ici cukuru cihote go proceed to the next levels, cihote go proceed to high school na to universities, na nĩguo chances ciao cia succeed maisha-inĩ-rĩ cikorwo ci very high. This is project na program nyingĩ, and one of the programs tukoragwo nayo tũmĩtaga Adopt a Meal. Adopt a Meal-rĩ tũnyitanaga na ciana iria most vulnerable, tũgaciconnect na well wishers, makahota kũrĩha irio o thani.
Nĩgũcokia ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa rani ya ũmũthĩ ya Reach Project ya kuhakikisha ciana citũ nĩ ciathoma na irĩ macukuru-inĩ na njĩra ya gũcihe irio.
Wanafunzi wengi hasa eneo hili la Majengo na Liki hapa Nanyuki, Laikipia County, unapata wanaenda darasani bila kupata chakula, na hilo ni swala ambalo tunajaribu kuaddress kama Lisha Project. Tulianza mwaka wa 2021 na hadi saa hii ni mwaka wa 3. Kila mwaka tuna hii run, kama leo 20th April tumekuwa na our 3rd annual run. Sababu ya sisi kufanya hii annual run ni tuweze kukusanya pesa, kufundraise, na pia tupate create awareness. Watu waweze kujua kwamba kuna hili swala la njaa na tupate msaada kwa watu wa community.
Na harĩ sekta ya ugendi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, bodi ya ugendi nĩyoete ikinya harĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ namba ya agendi nĩ yakorwo ĩkĩongerereka bũrũri-inĩ kuma milioni 1.9 nginyagia milioni 3 gũkinyagĩria mũico wa mwaka ũyũ tũrĩ. Kũringana na bodi ĩno nĩ makoretwo makĩnyitanĩra na anyiti itemi sekta-inĩ ĩno ya agendi arĩ hamwe na ene mĩkawa ĩrĩa mĩnene gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩkĩgucĩrĩria ugendi na njĩra nene, kũrĩa kũringana na June Chapkemoi ũrĩa nĩ ũmwe wa mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa bodi ya ugendi mwena wa Naivasha, nĩ akorirwo agĩtarĩria atĩ bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ gũkorwo ũkĩkũria ugendi mwaka-inĩ ũyũ tũrĩ.
Our riders, as we embark on this initiative of supporting the motorsport industry to really showcase the breathtaking landscape of our country, Kenya. We diversify our tourism offering as a Kenya Tourism Board. We believe that working with the motorsports industry will really support us to get into the desired numbers. As a KTB, we've supported before, but we are now going a notch higher by partnering with the organizers and the federations that support the motorsport adventure. We want to target at least 10,000 riders from across the continent to come to Kenya and experience the diversity that we have to offer as a country. The tourism sector is picking up really post-COVID, and we have a bigger target to really land a minimum of 3 million tourists by end of the calendar.
So of unveiling a new 1300 GS motorbike, which is the edge of the innovation for the BMW Motorrad. Today we have a big community of BMW biking enthusiasts and those who are really into the experiencing the new 1300. So really happy moment for the whole team. We're preparing for some time, and we hope that by that launch will give biking enthusiasts in Kenya absolutely new riding experience.
The thing about it is that Fizz comes with a lot of advanced features. It prides itself in a 1300cc. We have quite a lot of advanced features in terms of the riding modes. We have 4 dynamic riding modes. It's the first bike that has the automatic adjust time. Very positive and good feedback in this market.
na thirikari nene nĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ĩgĩkinyũkia ikinya harĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩyakorwo ĩkĩararamia ũnyitanĩri wa network wa thimũ kaunti-inĩ ya Narok nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ aikari a kũrĩmũ wa Narok nĩmagĩkorwo mena ũhoti wa kwamũkĩra mohoro hamwe na gũthiĩ kũrĩa nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria. O nĩ kũringana na mũnene wa rũhonge rwa Information Communication and Digital Economy Eric Kirathe akiuga atĩ thirikari nĩtanyĩte gũkinyanĩria ũhoro ũcio nĩguo arĩa matarakinyanĩrwo nĩ network makorwo magĩkinyĩrwo matarĩ kuona ta maratigwo thutha harĩ ũkinyanĩria gũkũ thirikari-inĩ cia kaunti.
Today we had engagement with NGAOs and officials from the Ministry of ICT regarding government projects and in the county, communications, infrastructure, and we want to open up the interior of the county, accessibility to communication and information. I realized that most part of the county, there are some places which are not covered by network, mobile network communication. So we actually met to see how we can, those places can be open so that members of public can access even network, and also to open up the place for more development activities and also national government projects in those areas. Yeah.
The purpose of our visit is to connect and to coordinate with the National Government Administration Office and the government agencies to the ground, including the county ward administrators, so that we ensure that the network is serving the purpose for which it is meant, and the last citizen is being connected. We are looking at the areas where the connectivity on record is, so that we get a feedback from those citizens. We are also getting their feedback so that as we move to the next phase, which will be having 22 sub-locations in Narok alone, we are able to feed into the technical aspect so that when they are using technology to identify the unserved areas, it is also combined with the experience of the customers, with the quality of experience of the citizens living there, so that the designs take that into consideration.
Na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua inyitanĩire na ateteri arĩa matũrigicĩirie hamwe na ikundi cia kũgitĩra mĩtitũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya nĩmarugũrĩtie mĩtaratara mĩerũ ya gũkorwo makĩgwatĩra oro rĩngĩ mũtitũ wa Olbolosat ũrĩa ũrĩ wadi-inĩ ya Gathanjĩ gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Nyandarua. Ũũ nĩ kũhĩtũkĩra thutha wa rũĩ rwa Olbolosat gũkorwo ũkĩhwa, na kũringana na mũnini wa commissioner wa kaunti ĩno Beatrice Kang'ethe nĩaugĩte atĩ nĩmegũkorwo makĩhanda mĩtĩ makĩria ma 70,000 ĩrĩa ĩgũteithĩrĩria harĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩgucĩrĩria mbura, na rĩrĩ mbura ĩragĩthiĩ na mbere gũkorwo ĩkiura.
Tunajua na tunaelewa vizuri sana ya kwamba mambo ya misitu lazima tuiangalie vizuri sana, na Professor Wangari Maathai alisema ya kwamba nature is very unforgiving. If you destroy the nature will destroy you. Vitu wananchi ana tunataka tupande about 70,000 seedlings. 70,000 seedlings, hiyo itaenda a very long way. Itasaidia sana. Na kupanda tu kwa miti hiyo si mwisho. Ukipanda seedling lazima uhakikishe ya kwamba hizo seedling zimeangaliwa vizuri, kwa sababu zisipoangaliwa hazitafaulu. Sawa sawa. Kwa hivyo upanzi wa miti peke yake is not enough. Lazima hizo miti tutapanda tuhakikishe ya kwamba zimeangaliwa vizuri, zimekuwa vizuri, mpaka tumeachieve the 100% ya hizo seedlings kwa sababu ya teamwork ile tuko nayo. Hii kazi ya upanzi wa miti haitafaulu kama sisi wote hatutashikana. Lazima tushikane sisi wote ndio tupande miti vile inatakana.
So forester tunataka ekari 100. Tumeamua ekari 100 tutaanza kupanda miche 70,000 pieces. Na tumeamua jambo la kwanza tutatumia hii mto. Hii mto kifrenchi inasema ya kwamba kila wakati miche hapa kuanzia juu kwenda mpaka chini ili hii mto isiwe wa kuisha tena. Kuna mito mingi iko hapa. Mito mingi. Sources of Osonyiro, the 5 counties kutoka hapa kwenda mpaka Somali. 5 counties. Sisi wenyewe ndio tunachangia maji mengi sana. Kwa hivyo tulipoketi chini tukaona jambo la kwanza tushikane na washikadau wengine. Tuwe na siku moja tuitenge iwe Olbosat Earth Day na ndio hii ya siku ya leo. Hii siku tumeitenga ili tuje sisi wote tujikumbushe ya kwamba kila mtu ana jukumu ya kuhifadhi mazingira ni kwa sababu ya maisha yetu kila mmoja.
Naona kuna miti imepandwa, nimeona mumefanya staking out, nimeona hata mashimo mumeweka vizuri sana. Yangu ni kuambia vile tunaenda kulaunch upanzi wa miti siku ya leo. Tupande kwa moyo mzuri na tukipanda miti yetu isikuwe ni kupanda tu ila nitukuze tu.
Na murori witũ ho niho tũgũkorwo tũkĩoya kamweke ga gwĩkĩrĩra ndũgathi haraya nĩtũracokereria na riboti nyingĩ.
kia gutire ngware ebiso nikio na ithue ria nauma ngo-ini tukiumagara tukeribariba niguo tukahange guku ari tabarira-ini ya mwihang'eri guku kwa Muthingi TV.
Uguo ni tutambũrĩte kĩo na wĩrutĩri waku mĩethere-inĩ. Nikĩo tũkaga o hau haku wĩra-inĩ tukagĩa gĩikaro tukamenya ũhangaga atĩa na wanjĩrĩirie atĩa.
Thondekaga indo cia thukuru kuma baby class.
Ngiandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho andĩkĩtwo gĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo.
Nĩ o kiumia wa kerĩ ciĩhanda thaa 2:30 nginya thaa 3 cia ũtukũ.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'eri o gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV na ni Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Tũgĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ harĩ kũgacĩrithia ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ na makĩria harĩ ciana nini, rũhonge rwa UHC nĩrwo Universal Health Coverage manyitanĩire na rũhonge rwa Czech Republic maheanĩte macini cia kĩrĩu iria cigũkorwo ikĩhũthĩka nyũmba-inĩ cia ICU kũrigita ciana nini. Nĩ ũhoro ũrĩa ũgũkorwo ũkĩhũra jeki sector ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ makĩria harĩ ciana ici nini makĩria.
It is my privilege to officially hand over the equipment for the neonatal intensive care unit donated by the Czech Republic to the Coast General Teaching and Referral Hospital in Mombasa. We provided the donation of value, which is over $200,000, knowing that these modern devices save lives of infants and mothers. The devices are state-of-the-art and are used in many Czech hospitals. We take pride in the excellent quality of the Czech products, but also the quality of the training and maintenance. I am happy that in this delegation accompanying me today, there are representatives of the main manufacturers contributing to the Czech solution. I would like to highlight the role of Dr. Inga Bakwan-Dvala, the CEO of the Coast General Teaching and Referral Hospital, and his team.
The fact that we have seen a huge increase in this is a testimony that what we are doing, the decisions that the government has been able to do, is working. The budget of Mombasa needs to be consumed by the people of Mombasa. It is only fair because every other county has its own budget and the national government has their budget. We cannot be able to spread thin and say that I will be able to treat free every child that is going to walk into the hospital. What that means is that I will shut down this hospital.
Na thirikari nene nirageria kuruta wira na kuneria mitaratara meru ya kuhe hamwe ruhonge rwa electric mobility ruria ni rwa ngari cia thitima nduthi oro hamwe na mithikiri niguo kunyihia uthukagia wa riera ona kunyihia uhuthiri wa maguta guku bururi-ini kuria akiaria hindi ya mucemanio uria ugutabanitio nyumba-ini ya thirikari ya Garissa. Michael Mushiri umwe uria wa ameba a gikundi giki kia electric mobility ni ataririe bata wa ruhonge ruru hari kunina mathina ma uthukagia wa riera guku bururi-ini.
Kule Emirates ya kuimport mafuta wanakunywa pale stima wanakulipa hiyo inakuwa.
Na ni kweli electric mobility ni technology mpya, sio Kenya peke yake lakini duniani kote, na hii policy iko na changamoto zake. Kama tulivyosema, bodaboda ya electric mobility kilomita ambayo inaenda bila kufanywa recharging ni kama 70 peke yake. Gari ndogo inaenda kilomita kama 200 peke yake. Hii ni kusema ya kwamba wakati bodaboda imeenda kilomita 70 na inahitajika kufanywa charging na mahali uko hakuna stima, je, utafanyaje?
Electric mobility, it will reduce the emission reduction ya kwanza, na pili we welcome this initiative, but kuna changamoto pia. We have one of the biggest solar plant in East and Central Africa producing 50.4 megawatts, but Garissa County is not benefiting from that solar plant. It's contributing to the national grid, but we are not benefiting from that. At least you pass our message to the Ministry of Energy, waone vile tunaweza faidika na hiyo solar plant. Kenya tariff, Kenya Power with the high tariffs na monopoly inatusumbua sana. Kwanza time ya Ramadhan inatusumbua sana. So at least you also pass that message wakazi wa Garissa wapate kubenefit kutoka hiyo Kenya Power. Kenya ina charge 2 hours. So kama mtu ako na emergency, maybe anaenda safari fulani ama mkutano fulani, itamfanya achelewe. Kama tunaweza pata backup ya hiyo battery ni nzuri pia. Kama tunaweza pata solar yenye ni battery ikiisha at least inachukua vile ulikuwa unasema battery ya bodaboda kuna zile ina swap. Unabadilisha tu battery unaendelea na nyingine. Ni hizi magari yenye tunatumia saa hii. We want to all shift to green energy. It's a good initiative. But now what happens to vehicles? Should we change our engines to electricity, and how efficient is that? Thank you.
Haya, kore kaunti ya Kisii ati Mark Ogemba uria wina wathe na korero akihithukirwa ni nyamu itoekaine mwena wa Kisii ari wira-ini wake wa ureithia kuria kuringana na mutumia wake Teresa Nyabuke niaugite ati Mark niwe uragethagira family icio kiandu gia kuria na umatiyetwo matari na wiki riu magikiarite na kuri thirikari ya county hari gwetha uteithio wa kumateithiriria oho makenda gukorwo magiakirwo darasha iria igukorwo ikimagitira o hamwe na ciana ciao riria irathie cukuru-ini kumana na gukorwo magitharikirwo ni nyamu itoekaine
mutenye cia mangarega cia mutuino ikaichara
ilikuwa saa 2 natoka nyumbani mapema kuja kulisha ng'ombe kwenye nilikuwa tu mazoea yake ya kulisha ng'ombe, na mimi nikatoka nikaenda shambani. Alipokuja hapo kulisha ng'ombe, wakati ilipofika saa 5:30 ndio nilikuwa nimetoka shambani, nimekuna mboga nimeweka hapo kwa kitanda yangu. Hapo ndio nauzanga napata pesa na yeye kulisha ng'ombe, tunakamua maziwa tunauza. Sasa hata mjomba akakimbia mguu aliuta. Kwani mama Shauni nikamwambia papa Shauni ameumia anatoka damu. Sasa aliniambia anatoka damu, akili yangu ilikuwa anatoka damu kwa mapua, akasema kwa tumbo weka mkono tusaidie. Na anapokuwa huko hospitali sasa tunategemeanga hii ng'ombe akilisha, tunakamua maziwa tunauza, angalau tunalipia watoto school fees. Naomba kama ni uwezo wa serikali ndio kati kama itaweza kutoa watoto ama angalau tutoe kazi inaweza fanya tulishe watoto wetu na wasome vizuri, tufanye hivi. Inaonekana mzuri, ameshughulikiwa kwa hospitali, anaonekana vizuri, alishonwa. Sasa hapo vizuri tu, isipokuwa anaendelea tu na madawa, lakini hatujajua ni nyama gani alimuuma. Tulikuwa tu bila alituelezea, tuliona ni kama ni mamba.
Serikali ya juu, serikali ya kaunti watutengeneza hii daraja kubwa, sababu hii shule ya Bombava secondary school watoto wanatoka ng'ambo hii.
Haya, na tukigira kore iharo-ini citu ni ati timu ya fegi ya KCB betikaini cia volleyball nitanyite gucokera betikaini na makiria gitaro-ini kia Africa betikaini cia African Volleyball Championship iria ciguthakwo kuma tariki 24 mweri uyu nginyagia tariki 5 mweri ukite mwena wa Cairo kwarini bũrũri-inĩ wa Misri.
Let's clap for them. Thank you.
So it's going to be a tough competition, but we have what it takes to become #1 in this championship. Yeah, Sharon Chepchumba is a force to reckon with in Kenya, Malkia Strikers, and in our KCB team. So her coming back to KCB for this championship gives us strength and the spirit to fight more, and we are going to build a volleyball KCB volleyball team, volleyball playing around her name. So we are hopeful that she's going to give us what it takes to win this championship.
The team is very much ready. The preparations have been so good. We had our ample time for training. Everything was in place, and I can say the team is very well prepared. The team is composed of experienced and upcoming players, which is a good thing for us. For the junior players who it's their first time to play in the African Club Championship, they're going to get experience. But it's a good thing because we had a tournament recently whereby they were given a chance to play, and from that they showed that they're equal to the task, and that's why the coaches believed in them and they've been put in the team to travel. So I'm very much sure they're going to do well. It's a bigger competition for them, but I know they're going to perform well as the junior players.
na hau niho tugukorwo tugikira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma hwaine muthenya wa umuthi gucokere ngatho we wagitikira gutwana ithe kumara tukoretwo kiambiriria giku mohoro maya maitu nginyagia riu njokire ngatho aria othe magikorwo magituma ndumiriri ciao kuria mwena wa nendini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria kuria ni mwena wa Facebook njokire ngatho aria othe tukire na guku studio aria magikorwo magitigira ati mohoro maya maitu ni makorwo magigukinyira na njira iria ibashiririkite maberio ni producer wako mundu gwitwo wa Boy Wajau Tile niwe uma director wako Maxine Okima kuria mwena wa graphics Desmond ni Okima huko mwena wa Bishop kuria mwena wa transmission tuma na mundu ogwitwo wa Thika na mundu ria wagitigira mohoro maya maitu magiko magigukinyira kuria ni ndini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria Facebook ona nginyagia YouTube ne mundu ogwitwo Jacinta ni higo ciothe njitikaga Wairimu wa Kimani agakwendithiria utuko mwega.